na 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 na. Looking for a freaky con, you could probably get it. Paula Troy, Kai who couple upon or porn you're kidding. Sheila Shaker, Playboy, A-OK, Gary Lewis. What was say on Jeffrey Day? Daddy did.
Hello Nolan.
Yes.
We seem to have a problem.
What?
My child doesn't want to go to McDonald's.
Why?
Thinks it's started being fondled. All the news has a per main boggled.
They'll call me abomination, as if I'm wrong for a bit of penetration. I think I need a demonstration for a runner trinket back to your station. Ooh, when it's incest too, double dipping that's not gonna do. Or the Asian who got in this loot, I bet you always play Monopoly too. Nice has a monster called Willie Walkers, creeps up falls like sectarian stalkers. Remember Iris telling PD Parkers, never would have voted for you pedophile punkers. Looking for a freaky con, you could probably get it. Paula Troy, Kai who couple upon or porn you're kidding. Sheila Shaker, Playboy, A-OK, Gary Lewis. What was say on Jeffrey Day? Daddy did. Torby, and we'll toss a chin. You're very fortunate you don't get chin. Watch out for names you just make get skin. Back of the black tech and end up in a bin. River Wad Lord Argid Kin. Gig or gig, only shoot a winch. TV Mary Modging who ain't Bill Ben. Cookie Macasa will not. Then you're gonna crenna Gara L-O-L. Earn F-O-L. Policy don't tell from text A-O-L. That he bridging fail. Earn A-Do well. Akrin she'd kill is not just swell. It's simply say Gil. Hit her Roy Bear L-L-L. Brassy cunts can rat like us but kill. Who's green gun Kyler the looking for a freaky con, you could probably get it. Paula Troy, Kai who couple upon or porn you're kidding. Sheila Shaker, Playboy, A-OK, Gary Lewis. What was say on Jeffrey Day? Daddy dude, like really daddy dude. I hate to be so crude, to do it in your own nest though I think some cuckoo's flute. Nah. You know I like night bread and banana, and my hips don't like Colombiana. Sim out of Gary Cole as a nana. Big hard ditch, cut your horture while I'm mana. You get the ones John DC turn yalla. You should be in game shows, fella. Sorta like a bachelor, all the stars only called cat her and all the slander. Rude, I'm so cool, it's a taxi. In the jeans, always keep a white calf key. You know I'm doing big shit like a Lexi. Cation in your backseat. Looking for a freaky con, you could probably get it. Paula Troy, Kai who couple upon or porn you're kidding. Sheila Shaker, Playboy, A-OK, Gary Lewis. What was say on Jeffrey Day? Daddy dude. It was overdue, put my hand on the Torah. If you've no lube, got a tub with the flora. You can go exploring, I'll be calling you Dora.
I got the con here, he's in Kankora. Right. Copy that.
Don't take it too serious, I'd probably buck your grandma too if he's fat enough.